This is the Boyata laptop stand. Let's take it out of the box. In the box we find this stand itself. It's all aluminum, quite heavy and well built. It has silicone pads on the bottom. That's to keep it from sliding around. Doesn't want to move anywhere. And silicone pads here, here, and here for your laptop. And there's sort of a shelf type thing over here to hold your laptop on there. Let me open this up to an angle and show you. We'll take the stand, and that can open up like that, but you wouldn't want to use your laptop like that, so this end comes up as well. Now let's just put it there as a start. You can already see how this can elevate your laptop, which can be a great thing if your desk is too low. But you don't have to use it that way. We can push it down over here and have it at a nice angle just like that. So let me get a laptop to put on here now. So here's a laptop. Put it on there and it opens right up. Now you can use the laptop on here. You have full access to everything you need right there. If you want it at a lower angle, that's not a problem. You can do that. You can lower it here as well and go like that. What this is great for is a number of things. Number one, it might put it at a better height for you if your desk is too low, because we all know, we've all been there, sitting at the computer for extended periods of time, stuff starts to hurt and you got to get up and stretch. So if you can, minimize the slouched angle that you're leaning into to work on your computer, it's going to make for a much nicer computing experience. It also places it up higher if that's more in your line of sight. And it's just more comfortable all around, especially to type when you have the keyboard raised at an angle. And it does not have to be at such a steep angle. We can put it just like that. So it's just up at, maybe 5 or 8 degrees or so right now. And even that is a very, very comfortable angle to work with the computer like that, instead of just having it absolutely flat as it was before. It's a lot nicer with it tilted up at you rather than it just being flat like you normally would use it. Now another nice thing is it's all aluminum. Now one thing you'll notice is that the hinges are pretty tight, and it takes a considerable amount of force to open this up, but you can even open it to an angle like that if you wanted to raise it way up like that, and then that can go straight and you're all good like that. So this can act as a platform, and you can have maybe a notepad or something you want to jot down some stuff on paper there. Sometimes that works with video editing quite well, where you write down a few things along the way. Being that it's aluminum, it's going to conduct heat nicely from your laptop, or more importantly, away from your laptop. So that way your laptop is not going to overheat like it might if you had, say, a tablecloth or something right here. This is available in 5 different colors. This is just the straight aluminum one, but there are 5 different colors. And there's also a few other things this is great for as well, such as tablets. Now let me lower this down, and I'll lower this down a bit. Okay, like that. Now we're going to use the laptop because it's handy. This is a 14-inch laptop, but this will handle up to a 17-inch laptop without any problem. So it can do from 11 to 17 inches. But it'll also work with smaller items, such as tablets. So if this were, let's say, an oversized tablet, you can put that on there, and then you can just go and play with your touch screen and do whatever you would do on there, and that'll work very, very well. It's always going to hold at the angle you have it at, because that's why the hinges are so tight, so it stays in position. But another thing I found that this is also great for is this. Another thing this is absolutely fantastic for, let's say you have a desktop. You say, how can I use this? Well, you can. You can use it as a monitor riser. This keeps your monitor off the main desk. and elevates it. Most people's desks sit a little bit too low and their eyes go right over the top of the screen. That's not where you want them to go. You want them to go just below the top of the screen, right about here or so, if not even the middle, to get the best viewing experience. And you can raise and lower this. So you can put that down, and it's really sturdy. It holds 20 kilograms, which is 44 pounds. So even your big behemoth 27-inch flat panel monitor, you can put on here, and it'll hold it and elevate it, acting as a monitor riser. Now my surface here isn't level, so that's why it's a little wobbly here, but normally that wouldn't be a problem. I never knew what a difference that could make until I learned about monitor risers and got one, and I raised my monitor up and I said, wow, this is such a difference. So this can also work great for you, even just to raise it just that much, maybe what, an inch or so right there would be fantastic. So all around, this is a great laptop stand from Boyata. Nice tight hinges, solid construction, all around really, really nice for better ergonomics, better cooling, and can even double as a monitor riser or even a tablet stand. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.